Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add shake effect to video in Premiere Pro. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Premiere Pro and you need to select any video where you want to add the effect. And after that, you simply need to add an adjustment layer and put that onto the video. So let me put that. Okay, once you've done that, the next step is you simply need to select this box and click on Shift 7, and then you need to search for the directional blur and put that onto the adjustment layer. And after that, you simply need to come to the effects and control, scroll down, and here you can see the blur length. You simply need to select 45 so you can have the best effect. Then you need to zoom in onto this part and you simply need to make cuts after each frame. So let me make that. Okay, and after that you simply need to delete the rest of the adjustment layer, and here you can see that you simply need to delete the second one and the fourth one. Okay, and here you can see that the effect is created. And if you want on to the other part of the video, you simply need to lock this layer and you simply need to select these three and click on Ctrl C, and where you want in the video you simply need to drag and paste that here like this, and let me show you how it works. So here you can see that. So this is a process by which you can add shake effect to a video in Premiere Pro. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you want to work with me you can check out the description as well. Thank you. Have a good day.